problem once. A week was selected at random and the following data were obtained. Is there any evidence to reject the hypothesis that the number of accidents is equally distributed throughout the week at alphabetical order is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0.05. At alpha is equal to 0.05. Right, at alpha equal to alpha is equal to 0.05. So now that is all the dates are given and the number of accidents on Monday, Tuesday 32, Wednesday and so on. And if you observe, more are there on the weekends, that is 38 that is the one he has given you in the problem. Now let us now write down our table as the days and the number of accidents. So let us now write down all these very clearly about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And the values are given as, frequencies are given as 28, 32, 15, 14, 38, 43 and 19. Now when you calculate this, what is the total number of observations here? 28 plus 32. Now here he has not given you the total values. Here in the previous problem it is very clearly mentioned that it is 100 number of observations are there. Here he has not given you. So let us add all of them. 28 plus 32 plus 15 plus 14 plus 38 plus 43 plus 19. So the value is 189 is the total value. Right. And now what is the expected value? Expected value is what? This 189 by how many categories are there now here? The number of categories is equal to what? 7. So now what we do? We just divide 189 dividing by 7. So that gives you the value 27. So expected value is 27 for all. 27 it is for the expected value. Now let us calculate what is O minus E. This is what the observed values O and this is the expected values. Let us now see what is O minus E the whole square by E. So 28 minus 27 is 1 by 27. So it is coming around 0.037. So it is 1 divided by 27, 0.037. Similarly, 32 minus 27 is 5. 5 by 27 is 0.9259. And then you have 15 minus 27, the whole square. 15 minus 27, that is 144 by 27. 144 divided by 27. So that gives you 5.333. And then 27 minus 14, the whole square, that is 6.2593. And then it is how much? 4.4815. And now this is 43 minus 27. Minus 27 is this 16 and 16 square that is 256 over 27 and that gives you 9.4815. 9.4815 and 19 minus 27 is giving you 2.3704. Okay, now what is the calculated value? Chi-square calculated value is given by sigma O minus E the whole square over E. So that is all the summation of all these gives you and divided by E it is, that is 28.8889. So this is chi-square calculated value. And what is the degrees of freedom? Number of categories is 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. Now, what is the null hypothesis here? That means null hypothesis says that is there any whatever the accidents, or whether they are equally distributed or not, correct? So accidents are equally distributed or equally occurred in a week. And alternate hypothesis, this is H0, okay, and H1 is the alternate hypothesis, and it gives you that the accidents are not equally occurred in a week. Not equally occurred in a week. So now, what is your value for chi-square calculated value we have got? Let us find out what is chi-square table value. It is also alpha is 0.05 level and the degrees of freedom is 6. So at degrees of freedom 6, that means at 6 at 0.05 level is 12.592. So this is the value we take, and that is chi-square table value is 12.592. So what is the chi-square calculated value is 28.8889 and chi-square table value is this. Therefore, chi-square calculated value is more than the chi-square table value. Therefore, reject the null hypothesis. What do you mean by the null hypothesis? That means the accidents are not equally occurred in a week. Accidents are not equally occurred in a week. So this is what the solution of the chi-square test problems. To understand the chi-square test, this is what the way to do the problem. I hope you could understand clearly. Yes, thank you.